Good morning, Mama Robin. Checking in on our Mama Robin bird. She's doing fine, doing her mama duties. Birds seem back to normal lately as far as their morning songs. They were singing around 4:30 this morning. Pretty normal this time of year. Instead of the 1:32 at 2 o'clock a.m. at night, in the morning, so to speak, which is bizarre. That's been happening and being noticed by a lot of people around the world, so at least in the United States. God bless you, Mama, and your babies. Keep on keeping on.